Hi, I'm gonna introduce you how to operate the machine. As here you can see it's the cylinder, and the top is the ice cream tank. At the right side you can see the place here is for releasing the ice cream heat. So make sure from this side have some distance with the wall to make sure the ice cream can release the heat. Now we're gonna install the machine. Firstly is the front face mantle. Just follow the structures we do and make sure the middle one is a little bit different with others. The 3 stick inside, and then we just insert the handle. Make sure it's a safe and we get the stick just cross through and make sure we have the correct position. The second and the third. Okay. So make sure this first one is already, and the back side we have 2 rubber ring. Just install inside and keep it tight. Okay, now we are ready, and then we just insert these 2 steer and make sure it's like installed like this, and we put inside. And remember, we need to push a little bit, and you can see when it's like this, it's installed correctly. And now we just put together the front face inside. Then we have 4 screwdrivers inside. We just put the screwdriver. There are 4 screwdrivers in the front face, so we need to install all of them, 4. Now the third one. And the last one. Make sure all the screwdriver must be tight. Then we open the machine with a switch here. Just keep it tight. Now we have the button here. Auto for making ice cream, clean for clean machine. Stop just to stop the machine. And the right side is set, is making the setting machine. Time is for making the machine when the ice cream making stop. Puffing machine is for make the ice cream puffing. Now we just operate the machine. Now we need to pull inside the ice cream liquid. And make sure we have to put 2 side tent fully at the same time. The left side and the right side. Left side and the right side tank. When we put inside the machine, the liquid inside, and now we need to press clean to make sure all the liquid is fully in the cylinder. Just wait around 30 seconds, and then now make sure all the liquid already in the cylinder. Then we press stop and we press auto. Now the ice cream is making. As you can see, the table inside, the left side is 2.9, the right side is 3.9. When the left side 2.9 goes to 3.9, the ice cream making ready, and the machine automatically stop. The last one, we just cover the cover at the top. Now the ice cream is ready. Normally the first time we need to wait around 15 minutes to 20 minutes, the ice cream can be ready. Now we just press the handle and the ice cream goes out, we can start selling ice cream. Last one is washing machine. When we finish the ice cream selling, we need to clean the machine. Before we clean, we need to press the stop button to make sure the machine already stopped. And then we need to press clean. Make sure the machine now is in washing function. Firstly, we need to make sure all the liquids already down. Means the machine, they don't have any remaining liquid inside. Make sure it's already empty. Then the first time we need to pour just the normal water, the clear water inside. Left side. And we make sure the situation is in clean right now. And the left time also the water inside. We wait around 5 minutes, then we press the handle to release the water. And we repeat the first steps second time. And we press clean. Wait around 1 minute, and then we press the handle and release the water. Now you can see the water is a little bit cleaner than the previous time. And the last time we repeat again, the third time, and we press clean function. Now you can see the water is almost clean. Means inside the machine is almost clean. And then we press stop. Now we need to dismantle the screw. All the screw. And we need to take off the front face. After we take out the screw, and we just take out the front face. And prepare that for washing. And the 2 cylinder, we just take it out and wash them. Now we need to mop inside and to clear the machine surface. Also for the bottom one, we need to take it off. Also wash that. We just need to clear the dirty water. And the front one, we also need to clean and mop it. After finish cleaning, we need to switch off the machine. Then it's auto finish. Thank you.